Hello, hey guys, welcome back. We are at a different part of my house and I think it's gonna be our new corner from now on to film. I love this new section, and yeah, welcome to my channel. I hope you've had a wonderful Christmas and New Year. Happy New Year! We're in 2021. Yeah, we made it. Today I want to share with you some of my gifts that I received for Christmas and I am so excited. Look at this box, can you see? I'm so excited. I got a Dior bag for Christmas and I'm in love. I thought I'm gonna share it with you and just show you a few of the stuff that I got. And then I got this. It came in this beautiful box wrapped in the Dior ribbon, and I've already won the bag. I've opened it. I could not wait. I actually opened it before Christmas Day because I was so excited and I was so surprised. And yeah, so let me just show you what I've got and the Dior box and everything. I see people doing this unboxing. I hope I'm doing that anyways. And it's got like the little paper, so I've had to wrap it back for you guys just to show you how it came in. And it's got like these little papers, and it came in with a chain which was in this little bag, and it's got the Dior bag. So came in this Dior dust bag, which is, and this is it. That's it. This is the bag I got. It is the Dior flat bag and it's in, so this bag is Dior and it's a flat bag. It comes with this leather, the handle, it's in silver and it's got like all the CD way closer you can see on it, Christian Dior, and it's in unbleached canyon lambskin leather and it's cream color, and it's got like this little green bit with the Dior logo, and basically you just open it like this, and I want to close it and it just stays. It feels so luxurious. I can fit so many things inside the bag. So you open it and it's got a pocket here. That's what it looks like here. It's so soft and so nice. And then it's actually got another pocket there, like two pockets where you can put your phone. You can put two side pockets, and it's quite space. It's got a lot of space to stuff a lot of things inside, and it's got the Christian Dior logo right in front there. And then it comes with this, the whole authentication Dior card, and yeah, so everything is in it with the certificate and the little Dior book. You got this Dior 25 as well. So these are all the little authentication card if I ever decide that I want to sell it, which I don't think I won't, and I'll just stick it back here. So it's got a front pocket there as well, got two side pockets, and then it's got like an inner pocket as well. So it's got a lot of space, and I like the fact that it's not white, it's cream, and it just like closes like this. So you can wear it like this, just like that, or you can wear it like this. You can hold it like this. You can hold it like this, or I like to wear my bag in a crossbody form. You can also cross it out, and I like the fact that I can wear it like this. So you can wear it multiple ways. You can wear it as a clutch bag, so you can take the chain off, which I don't think I will, but you can hold it like this as a clutch bag. And I just love it. It's so versatile and I really like it. I just love the color, the way it is, and it's just so nice. Like if something goes on it, you just wipe it off and it cleans very nicely. And I've been wearing it with like everything I'm wearing. You can wear it casually, you can dress it up, and most of the time I just wear it like this. I just like it because it looks casual, and this is my favorite way to wear it, and I just love it. Let me see what can I fit in my bag. Yeah, so let's see, let's fill her up and then see what she can hold. Oops, so I can fit my phone nicely here. So that's my phone just going in, and I've got space. I've got my little 21 diary to write my goals. Have you got yours? And I can fit that inside here. I can also fit my little wallet. I can fit my lip balm. I will just put it there. Fit my hand cream nicely. So I can fit my hand cream nicely, and this is everything inside the bag, and it just closes. Look at it. So you don't need to do anything. You put it down and that's it. It's closed. Let's see, this is making it a bit bulky. So you just do this and it's just like a magnet. It just sticks and that's it. And it's proper filled up, so it's super free to put a lot of things. It's got a lot of space. So I think this is the way that I'll be wearing it a lot, and then crossing it over my body. I am in love with it. I really like the bag, and it's because it's just so versatile. And the color, it's again like it's not black, it's off-white cream color, so it literally acts like black. And the silver strap, it just looks so classy, simple, but yet so stylish, and I'm just in love. I'm just super grateful to have received this as a Christmas present. So yeah, so let's get into the size of the bag. I'll put her here so you can see. It's made of canyon lambskin grain leather. So dimension of the bag says, so it's 25 by 16 centimeters stroke 5 by 6 5 centimeters, and I would find a link that I'll link it down below for you guys. They've got it in different colors, but I really love it, and I am super chuffed and super grateful and looking forward to wearing it. And yeah, I would give you an update and see how it wears out, but I think this is something I'm gonna have forever and ever, and this is just gonna be the start of my designer handbag collection. For Christmas, I got this perfume. It's called Oriental Essences. The box is so rich, all in gold. It's by the company called Rituals. It's unisex, so it's eau de parfum for both men and women. I just love how luxurious the box feels, and this is what it looks like inside. And it's got 2 different scents. So if you're kind of into like oud, strong smell perfume, long lasting perfume, this is not floral at all. It's more like oud, bergamot, patchouli kind of smell. It smells super nice, and I am in love with it. So another of my Christmas present that I got, that I want to show you. This I got for myself. I got it from Zara. I've been wanting this coat since it came out. I think it was 129 or 149 pounds, but I waited in the sale and I was lucky enough to have it. I wanted a black masculine coat that just so effortless and chic. Even if you're wearing like your joggers, you just pop this over, it just makes you look so dressy. It's from Zara, but it's made by the brand called Montico. So I've got a brown coat. I think H&M Mango uses this brand. It's like an Italian textile company that makes coats. So if you're ever buying coats from these companies and you see this Mantico logo, definitely go for it. The quality is amazing, really good quality. The same for Mango, the same for H&M. They're high price coats, and it's got like this gold button, so it's like military style. And the shoulder pad, I got it in a size small, and I am just in love with this coat. It fits to a T, a dream. It's got pockets, and I am just in love with it. You would see it for my last video as well. I wore this and it's just amazing, and the buttons just makes it look super expensive, and I'm just in love. I know I keep saying it, but I'm just in love. It just fits perfect, and a size small as well. I was thinking of getting medium, but I'm so thankful I stayed true to size. It's all the way down. I'm just putting it over this outfit, just instantly makes it look stylish. So that is it basically. I just wanted to share with you some of my favorite stuff that I got over the Christmas period, and I'm just super grateful to even be here to see 2021. And thank you so much for all your support. I really appreciate you, and let's keep on growing this community. So let me know your thoughts. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions about the bag. I'll link similar pieces. The coat, I know it's sold out, but I'll find similar ones as well. The perfume, I'll link that. I don't know the price because they're all gifts, but I'll link them down below for you. And I hope you've enjoyed it. You can comment down below on what you received for Christmas if you feel like sharing. But that is it, and I'm hoping to be bringing you 2 videos every week now, so watch the space. And I hope you've enjoyed watching it. Thank you, and please like this video, share, and again, I really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button down below. If you're not following me on Instagram, it's my same yamsies_style. I try and post daily outfit inspiration. And thanks. Hopefully I will see you again on the next one.